guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on profile down here, you just click here on profile, then it's going to show for you list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on notification settings. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to remind me to resell my NBA season tickets in time. So in theme here in time, so you just enable it here for email, then here you enable it for app, then like you see now it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.